Hey guys, how's it going? So recently I've been in contact with a company named Elegoo Inc., who are a technology-based company in China who deal with various miniature robotics and printers, well 3D printers and Arduino-based stuff and so on. And they were kind enough to send me down one of their Arduino-based Mega 2560 Complete Starter Kits. So let's take a look at the various components that they have to offer in this nice little unboxing video.
Zombie apocalypse.
Let's open it up and let's check it out. Wow, very nice presentation. Right, so first things first, we have a thank you card. Then we have a CD with the PDF code and libraries. We have a water level detection sensor. We have an infrared remote. An LCD 1602 module. A sound sensor. A servo motor. A joystick module. An ultrasonic sensor. Power supply module. One-digit 7-segment display. Four-digit 7-segment display. A 5-volt relay. Small DC motor. Temperature or humidity sensor. A 10K ohm potentiometer and IR receiver. The stepper motor driver. A GY521 module. Motion sensor module. DS1307 module. Max 7219 module. Prototype expansion module. A bunch of resistors of various resistances. RFID reader. RFID card. And RFID tag. The male to male and male to female jumper cable. We have the 28BYJ48 stepper motor. Alright, we have a bunch of speakers, thermistor I think, buttons, LEDs and capacitors and so on. We have the fan blade with a DC motor, membrane switch module, breadboard, of course, nine-volt battery, AC adapter and data cable, and of course the Mega 2560 microcontroller. Alright, thanks again to Elegoo for sending me down this product to do an unboxing video for you guys. And if you have any questions, comments or suggestions for any future products or videos, be sure to leave them in the comment section below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Anyways guys, thanks again for watching, take care and see you all in the next one.